All right, guys, so I got the trailer back downstairs, managed to squeeze it in here, and got the four-wheeler down here. I got the trailer all sandblasted. I didn't do a perfect job, but I did it so that at least all the paint's scuffed up. And I could definitely tell that someone took a roller or a brush and just painted it that way before. So I made sure to get most of that paint off, except for the inside, but I definitely got it all on the outside, and I got all the rust spots down and all the surface rust down. And so now I just gotta loosen up this bracket. I guess those are loose. I wonder what the deal is with that. And then these in here, and just make sure that the whole axle is loose. So then when I go out and paint it, I can go out there, unbolt the axle, and paint it, and then maybe even, that's gonna be kind of tricky with that one up there. But if I'm able to, maybe just cover it. It wouldn't be that hard to put something over it, but at least, so when it is painted, you guys get what I'm getting at. Once it is painted, I can still bring it, it's gonna have to be in here because I can't put it out in the shop. It doesn't seem like, and I'll just have to figure out something in here to set it on and hold it up. And then I gotta take the axle out from under it, take that out, go get it painted, and then bring it back down here. That's my best bet to getting them both done the same day. And I'm gonna get parts ordered for it tonight, and hopefully paint it within the next few days. Who knows, if I'm lucky, tomorrow, but today sucked because of how windy it was. But I grinded through it, lost 60 pounds of sand, but that's how it is. And got everything sanded, so they're sandblasted, so it's all ready to be painted. Just gotta figure out my whole setup. If I'm gonna, I don't know if I can even use that, but I gotta figure out something to hold it up and keep it off of the ground so I can rob the axle out of it and get that painted the same day. And so then I can start working on the boat real soon and just have the trailer all done. So hopefully in the next day or two I can get that done, but I gotta figure out something to hold it. But I mean, it would be nice if I had the shop because I could just use the hoist and probably just hold it up. So who knows, maybe I'll talk my dad into letting me do that, because that would just be a lot easier. Just put a chain or a strap on each side and then something on the front, just lift it up. But we'll see. So there's that. And then I got the wheel wells over here. I still gotta sand these down quick because I just had to pick up. It was getting kind of late, and I was just so exhausted from sanding it. So I gotta sand those down real quick. And I am actually going with new wheels, but they're nothing special. I think I showed you guys the spare one already over there. You guys can't see it, but I'm just going with stock wheels. So yeah, look forward to that, and hopefully you guys will see this thing painted in the next clip. Otherwise, the next clip will be because it's a windy day, but fingers crossed. All right, guys, I just wanted to do a little update quick. So I just sanded up the wheel wells. It is 2 days later now, and so it was supposed to rain all afternoon and tonight, and it's gonna rain a lot tomorrow. But it looks like I actually have a gap, and I have 2 hours that I'm able to, maybe even 3, just pretty much until sundown. And it sucks to paint when the bugs are out because then you get bugs in your paint, but I got those sanded real quick, and now I'm gonna go rush out and get this painted, and hopefully all turns out okay. My dad said I can put it in the shop. It's just I'm gonna have to figure out a way to set it up out there. So we'll see about that. But it is gonna get painted, guys. All right, guys. So the trailer is actually out in the shop right now. I wasn't able to get it painted today just because I decided that it wasn't worth it. The bugs were already out, and well, mosquitoes up here where I'm from, and it just wouldn't have been worth it. They would have gotten in the paint, and I didn't want to risk it. And I just checked the weather right now, and it looks like I'll be able to paint it tomorrow night. So that's awesome. It looks like it's only supposed to rain in the morning, or whatever, which is really nice because that just makes it so that the gravel isn't dusty, and it'll be nice and cool out. So it'll be a little slower to dry, but it'll be fine because it'll be out in the shop. And so then now all I can do is work on the boat. It's actually already getting pretty late, but I figure I'll see what I can do. I mean, it would be really nice to pressure wash it out, but being I don't have the trailer, and I just want to get started on it now and see what I can get done. This is like a water line, so I'm sure a lot of this would get washed out, and it's just really dirty and it's got stuff all over it. So I'd have to wait a few days, but I'm gonna sand the clean spots now and see if I can't get that done. And if you guys have noticed, the seat's missing. I actually took that out and it's over here. I'm gonna figure out how to get these off so I can get some new covering for it and cover it. And then actually for the plastic part, I should have some trim paint left from my old truck. That should look pretty good on there. It's just like what I painted my center console with and stuff when I switched it. So I think that'll work on there if there's still enough left, hopefully. And then I'm assuming the cover is just gonna be like doing the four-wheeler cover, and it'll be pretty simple and it's just stapled on. But I gotta figure out how to undo these tabs first, and then get this all cleaned up. So I'll probably just work on that tonight. I don't know if I'll get as far as sanding, maybe. But yeah, till I get the trailer done, there's not much I can do. So this is just what I have. So I'll hopefully can get the trailer done tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then.